Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up post privacy on your Instagram profile. So first of all, go to your profile, swipe to the left, go to settings. Here go to privacy, it's the fourth menu point, and then tap on posts. And here you will have all the settings available that you can set for your best preferences. First of all, likes and views. There is an option where you can hide the likes and view counts. Let's see what they say. You won't see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts. You can hide like counts on your own posts when you create them by going to advanced settings and turning on hide like views counts on this post. If you want to hide your like counts and views from other people, you can do that. I've made another video, you can check it on my channel. But with this option you can hide other people's likes and views from yourself. If you don't want to see how many likes your friends and people you follow have, maybe it's better for your mental health, you can do that by switching this option on or off. Allow tags from. With this option you can set who can tag you on your Instagram profile. As you can see, I have it on everyone, but I could also choose people you follow, so only my friends could tag me that I follow, or no one. This is also a very useful feature. And here, tag posts, manually approve tags. With this option you can, as you can see, there are a lot of tags, people that tag me. I can manually approve them if I want. So this way you have a very nice option to curate your Instagram profile. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one.